Bullish near protocol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $14.40 and $31.37 by 2030. Market experts accept near could reach $14.40 by 2025. Bearish near protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.56. Near protocol presentation. Since its modest starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near Protocol has in no time developed to join forces with a portion of the business top monsters, performing on a vertical direction since its origin, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the preparation for Web 3.0. The Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near Protocol survey, we'll assess the organization's key highlights, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost expectations. What is Near Protocol? Near Protocol is a Layer 1 public confirmation of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer well-disposed stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, joining their previous experience to its most prominent benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project yet wound up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near Protocol was conceived as a shrewd agreement-skilled blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, rivaling other shrewd agreement-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has consolidated a few highlights to elevate ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to communicate with shrewd agreements and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates comprehensible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. Near intends to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut biological system, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, personality, and cash without requiring consent or outside stages. Near Protocol has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange charges on the stage. Near approves and finishes exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful movement by boosting validators with Near crypto token. With the Near Protocol expected to explode further from here on out, the symbolic's worth is probably going to take action accordingly. Near Protocol Essential Examination. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Sky Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has a one-of-a-kind selling point. With the dispersed number of validators the Near network has gotten with no weak link, this forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune and furthermore counters different failures generally found in most midway-controlled cloud stages. The Near Protocol's essential objective is to engage clients to recover control of their resources, information, and administration. Near Protocol Specialized Examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous remarkable names in the business, like the trustworthy entrepreneur Reserve Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise cooperated with other noticeable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Ainsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Motion, Mintbase, and Paris have additionally effectively utilized Near to assemble reasonable, speedy, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 financing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting huge cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. Assuming Near's set of experiences of close associations proceed, the coin's worth will probably take off altogether from now on. Near Protocol Current Cost. Near Protocol is presently worth $3.20 USD. Near has moved 8.15% as of now with an exchanging volume of $253,574,312. Near Protocol is presently positioned 28 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,586,355,531 USD. We form our Near Protocol cost forecasts on specialized investigation, utilizing continuous Near Protocol market information to refresh our site with dynamic cost expectation. We utilize specialized markers like moving midpoints, trend lines, MACD, Fibonacci retracement, and RSI to decide our Near cost forecasts. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2022. Near Protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Near cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $4.80. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $4.48 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible in the near future given expected coordinated efforts and headways. NEAR is supposed to have a base worth of $3.84. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, NEAR Protocol near cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEAR will before long outperform $8. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the NEAR's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, NEAR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6.40 and a typical exchanging cost of $7.04. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $11.20 and NEAR may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. NEAR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10.24 and a low of $9.60 in 2024. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that NEAR Protocol effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the NEAR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEAR will be green in 2025. The NEAR is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $14.40, with a base cost of $12.80 and a typical cost of $13.44. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the NEAR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $16.64 by 2026, with a base cost of $16 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, NEAR has a most extreme value worth of $17.60. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $19.85. If NEAR figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $20.81. Neglecting to accumulate the help NEAR needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $19.21. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2028. While NEAR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $22.41 and a yearly cost close above $24.01 in 2028. NEAR Protocol Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, NEAR Protocol will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $25.61 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $27.21, averaging out at $26.25. NEAR Protocol Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort